Please explain why me oatmeal sometimes take forever to make. Same pot, same water, same oats. Whoa, this is modern living? Happy Wednesday to you. It be February 12th, 2025. We can only imagine what shenanigans go down on Wednesday. In Cincinnati, it be 32 degrees. That be a chilly 0 centigrade. Whoo! Me need to think about lunch. Today, me listen to Boston's Dogzilla song, Lunch with Ed. They friends with the Archbishop. Me wonder what he eats for lunch. Cloudy and rainy today, high near 39. Tonight, rain, some fog, low around 30. Maybe me have to have some oatmeal with cheddar cheese and apple slices for lunch. You have good day.